I'm going to start with I want to learn Python in 30 days and I want to make a video every day about what I learned on that particular day so that it is like a revision for me so that making video would be a very helpful thing for me. Okay, and what miss this is not the first time I'm learning basic syntax of Python. Like I had it in my 11th and 12th, and once I did myself before as well, and but still I want to do it again. I want to learn, and I have started early. I have already started, and what all I have done, I have missed this print hi hello world. Miss I have started from complete basics, and I have completed this print hello world. I have started from this. Then I guess uh, I have done this print argument, and in this end function, end argument, I guess it is a or argument. It is also, I guess, very important, and that all I have completed in print statement. After that, I guess I have done comments. Yep, yeah, single line comment, multi-line comment, nothing so particular in this. And then I guess I have done types of functions. Type function and variables. Now type function tells about which type of function it is, right? And then I guess after that I did type uh, string slicing. I guess I did string slicing, and here you can see I have completed ends with count, capitalize, upper, find, replace. You all might be knowing this. And then I have come to list function. I guess till here I am, and this is main, which is like built in on PyCharm, and I want to continue from here onwards, and like dictionary and all I want to upload it. Okay, and the main reason, there are few more reasons, like I want to improve my speaking skills as well in English. Like I want to learn to explain things in English so that it helps. And what all I want to learn extra is just nothing, like so many things I want to learn, but for now that's all I want to do. I want to learn Python basic syntax in 30 days. Okay, and I want to make a video every day, like about a summary of what I learned on that particular day. And one more thing, my other works are also going on, like my college is going on and all that things. And with that, I want to learn Python in 30 days. It's not like learning, it's like a revision for me, but I want to do it in 30 days. And after that, we'll see. And that's all. Thank you.